The Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold is one of the latest smartphones to be launched by the Chinese manufacturer, Vivo. It is a mid-range device that comes with a host of features and specifications that make it a good option for users who are looking for a capable and reliable smartphone. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold and review its key features and performance. Design and display. The Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold features a sleek and modern design with a gradient finish on the back. The phone has a 6.58-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The display has a water drop notch that houses the front-facing camera. The display is bright and vibrant, with good color accuracy and viewing angles. The phone measures 164.4 by 76.3 by 8.4 millimeters and weighs 191 grams. The back of the phone features a rectangular camera module that houses the triple camera setup and an LED flash. The phone has a fingerprint sensor on the side and also supports face unlock. Camera. The Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold has a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a 48MP primary sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The camera setup also features an LED flash and supports features such as HDR, panorama, and AI scene detection. The front-facing camera is an 8MP sensor that is housed in the water drop notch. The camera performance of the Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold is good, with the phone producing sharp and detailed images in good lighting conditions. The camera performs well in low-light conditions as well, thanks to the AI-powered night mode. The macro lens and depth sensor also perform well, allowing users to take close-up shots and portraits with a bokeh effect. Performance and battery life. The Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, which is a mid-range processor that is optimized for 5G connectivity. The phone has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB via a microSD card. The phone runs on Android 11 with Vivo's custom FunTouch OS 11.1. The performance of the Vivo Y100 5G Twilight Gold is good, with the phone handling most tasks and apps